Script. Use AI to write video scripts in 20 minutes. If you've stared at a blank page wondering what to say for a business video, you're not alone. Writing scripts stops most small business owners cold. But here's the thing. AI can write a solid first draft in about 20 minutes. Not perfectly, but well enough to get you filming. Before opening any AI tool, answer 3 questions. Who is this video for? What do you want them to feel or do? What's the one thing you want to say? Promote our services won't work. Get homeowners in our area to book a free estimate before spring rush. That's a goal. Write these down. You'll need them next. Most people fail here. They type, write a video script for my business, and get something that sounds like a 2009 TV commercial. Your script quality depends on what you put in. Your prompt needs business type, target customer, platform, video length, tone, and desired action. Instead of write a script for my bakery, try write a 30-second Instagram Reels script for a family-owned bakery in Austin. Audience, local moms who care about quality ingredients. Tone, warm and playful. Goal, pre-order Mother's Day boxes. End with, DM us the word MOM to reserve one. If you have a brand voice guide, paste lines from it into your prompt. It makes the output sound more like you. Once you get a draft, read it out loud. If anything sounds stiff or formal, rewrite it. Mark sentences that are too long for video, words too formal for how you actually talk, and hooks that aren't punchy enough. The first 3 seconds are everything. Try this. Generate 2 or 3 versions with slightly different prompts. Make this more urgent, or write like you're talking to a friend. Pull the best parts from each. Takes 5 minutes, gets much stronger results. Platform matters. TikTok and Instagram Reels need a hook in 2 seconds. One clear idea, one simple action. YouTube Shorts gives you up to a minute for a quick story. Facebook skews older, so a warmer, more conversational tone works better. Don't write 3 scripts from scratch. Ask AI to reformat the same core script for each platform. Rewrite this for TikTok. Cut to 20 seconds and make the opening faster. Done. Here's the honest limitation. AI doesn't know your business. It doesn't know your customers' names or what happened last Tuesday that'd make a perfect video. It can't invent the real, specific details that make content feel human. That's still on you. After you have a draft, swap in at least one real detail. Instead of our customers love our products, say Sarah drives 40 minutes every week because she can't find bread like ours anywhere closer. Instead of we use quality ingredients, try everything in this croissant came from farms within 100 miles. Those specifics build trust. Generic statements don't. ChatGPT handles video scripts well. The free version is flexible enough to match almost any tone, lets you refine through conversation, and gets solid first drafts done. So if you've avoided making videos because you don't know what to say, that's solvable now. You need a clear goal, a decent prompt, and a few minutes to clean up the draft. AI removes the blank page problem. The real stories, specific details, what makes your business yours, that comes from you. And honestly, that's what matters most.